It's Sunday afternoon, and we got a couple hours before it rains, and Colin has just informed me that there's an old truck in a field that we should go look at. So, since it's so nearby, and I like old junk that's in fields, I thought we better go have a look. So, victory again. Right on. Okay, I'll save the play-by-play for when we get there. We've arrived. Is Eileen with you or what?
What's that? Eileen's using the bush there.
Oh, there you are.
So I thought before we get too
Wow.
we want to see it in the rough.
We also found a plow.
A plow? Cool.
Yeah.
The guy.
Sometimes the plows are worth more than the
Well, the
cars.
fella who actually is giving us the truck wants to plow.
Oh, okay.
His wife wants to plow.
Wow, this has been sitting here quite a while.
It has indeed.
Oh, yeah.
I'm expecting to
even
find
worth
like
it
a
in the end?
skeleton lodged in the seat, but
I think the chrome, and there's some stuff on here that's worth it.
Oh, yeah. There's
Beyond
some bits.
that, and I put the engines in here. Let's see if we can get this open. I had it open last year.
did you find some of these things? Any of these?
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what? Oh, well, we might. That's probably the exhaust manifold I need for my 37,
There you go.
because mine's cracked.
There you go.
So, I think that's the same anyway. It's not gonna quite fire right up though, is it? That's full of garbage. Yeah, no, that is not a runner. But there's always pieces.
Well, it's
But it looks like it was driven till it was finished being useful.
yeah, and so you look at it and go, if you got a project, this might help your project. That's about where it's
Sure.
right. If it's going to help your project, that's fine.
Oh, there's a good bumper and a few
Yeah,
things, you know.
it wouldn't be your starter.
Oh, this is like where they've pushed everything over the years.
There's 1,000 spots across North America.
Oh, you bet. Well, that is a pretty classic tire there, eh?
Did it actually belong to the car itself?
I don't know. It would depend on the size, but it looks too old and too small. It looks older than the
Well,
truck.
there's 3 of them here.
Oh, yeah? Is there a rim on that tire, Eileen, or is it just a tire?
As far as I can
it's
see,
just a tire,
just
yeah.
tires.
Okay. Sometimes the
They're
rims will
actually
last
in
for a
pretty
while.
good shape.
Yeah, well,
like,
that's the girl.
The rubber has not totally.
No,
like
it
I'm
hasn't.
standing on one right now. It's
Oh,
not.
yeah, it's still there, yeah.
anything.
Some lichen on
what
it.
brand is it? Can you see
I
the brand?
can't even.
Classic Tires live in the
This
field.
one is not stuck in the ground. So
No?
I can bring this one.
There we go. Save it. Save the tires. Oh, that's a beauty.
Lichen and all.
Crap, that's heavy.
Oh, it's an Atlas Cushionaire. Nice.
It's made in Canada.
That's right. That's how it's, you know, it's still good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beauty. And this used to be a car, but we don't know what kind. It's, there's the hinges. Oh, you know what? I think it's like a Ford. And that's
Here.
probably the seat from this truck.
Please
Yeah,
take
could be.
And
All right,
it's
just
got a
wait, Evan.
GMC. Oh, yeah. Atlas Plycron Cushionaire. That's a keeper.
There's 3 of them if you want them.
No, that's okay. It's just fun to have a look. That'll pump up.
Is this fuel tank worth saving?
Probably not, unless it's in really good shape and fits this truck.
That's bad.
So, I think it's about 1951, if I had to guess. There must be thousands of these still in the bushes around
Oh, yeah.
Alberta, hey? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I know for sure that once I was helping you and there was a Model T in a field.
Right.
Any other scrap in the pile here?
Half the reason I'm cutting all this stuff out is because I actually need to get out.
Need to get out? Yeah. Cut yourself a
I
path.
can't get out if I can't. Yeah. Does anyone know where this thing starts
No,
and ends?
it's tied up.
Do you want the plow wheel?
Eventually, Eileen.
So is your plan to just lift this out of here?
Well,
Or
I
just
don't
clear
have
up
the
enough?
I don't have the forklift with me today, and then
Yeah,
and then
this
the
is
question is it something we really want?
well, and I tell you what, it's not for me,
yeah.
but I'm gonna take some pictures and send them to my friend Kyle, and if
Yeah.
he says, oh, that cab is worth something because it has the little windows, or if he says, no, I got 3 of those,
Yeah.
then just leave it here.
Yeah, that's
It is really cool to see though.
cool project. It's a cool, like I said, somebody might go, yeah, I need those 4 parts to finish my truck.
Yeah,
Okay? The
that's
door
right.
handle.
There's some emblems and some stuff, but
Exactly.
she's pretty far gone. Even this door is pretty decent.
Right.
But it's just too bad. Yeah, it looks like they shot at it and took all the windows out.
Was, yeah. Yeah.
No, it's just been sitting here for so, it's actually surprising that there's as much left of it as there is.
Yeah. But some of this, all of a sudden, will go. Right? Like all of a sudden, will go.
There's a cute little toolbox on the side though, that's cool. Yeah. I just like photographing this stuff for exactly the reason you said, is it's all gonna be gone and we've got the only pictures of it.
Yeah.
Look at that plow too. Oh, there's a nice Field Find classic tire here. Another Atlas tire. Hey, this is the match to the one that you pulled out. It's another Cushionaire. This is like an old truck rim that's been welded to something.
You have any idea what this is? A whole bunch of.
Were they stacked up like that?
Yeah.
No, I don't know. You know what?
Actually, my aunt gave me some. Like, I had
I'm
some
gonna
after-
take a couple of these home and I'm gonna make a part for my Model T with them.
Sure,
Might as well have authentic.
No one cares about what happens to all this.
No, obviously not. No. Hey, I gotta get going.
Yeah, I think I better go too.
Okay.
I think my blade is getting a little dull. It has some
All right.
things along the way. I brought an air tank so I can air up the tires.
Yeah, that was a bit optimistic, buddy.
Well, I was like, you know, I didn't even remember that it's buried. Like, it would take a lot to even get it out of the earth. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Lift it up, throw some blocks under it,
Yeah.
and once you got blocks under it, the rest of it, they're not that heavy.
Yeah.
Like that, but it still weighs 3,500 pounds. So
Yeah.
whatever you bring, better
it's
lift
nicely
it.
what this tractor can carry, but yeah, just close the door and
Okay, let's go. Well, that was fun. Got my treasures.
The goose.
You can drive a standard, right, Eileen?
yeah.
You guys drive the BMW, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I
Oh.
couldn't drive this thing.
Yeah,
Maybe I could.
sure you could.